Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, we will need to access the boot options. So pull down your notifications and you'll find this power button. When you press on it, it gives you the couple different boot options right here. Now what you want to do is hold power off. This will then change into reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK to initiate that reboot, and once the device boots back up, it will be in the said safe mode. Now, I warn you, in safe mode only the pre-installed applications will function normally. Anything that you have installed yourself on this device throughout time will be temporarily disabled as long as you're in this mode. So from here you can troubleshoot your phone if you have some kind of problem. In safe mode you should be able to resolve it, assuming it is not a hardware based problem. So for instance, if your screen is cracked and just touch doesn't work on it, putting it into safe mode won't really help you. But yeah, anyway, once it boots up, you can see we have this marking right here, safe mode. And let's see if there's any apps that are not gonna work here. Oh, there is one. Music Pro won't work. Netflix will not work. Apparently camera will not work. Okay, that's absolutely like absurd, to be honest. But yeah, you can quickly see which apps will not work and which ones will, because as you can see, they are like transparent. As you can see, they don't look as they normally do. They have this kind of like faded look to them, and they have transparency, as you can see. So yeah, those apps will not work. Anything that still looks normal, basically everything like right here, will work fine. Now, absurdly enough, Facebook apparently will work here. Go figures. But camera will not. Sony, what the hell? So yeah, anyway, that is basically how you would boot into safe mode. And once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal one, all you need to do is, again, find the power button right here and select restart. Just a simple click to reboot the device, and once it reboots, it will go back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.